Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm showing off my newest custom doll that I did, custom Blythe, as a toddler. I don't usually brag on my stuff that I do, but I absolutely love her, and Darren just made this articulated monkey for her. How cute is that? I absolutely love it. We are on day 15 of the Advent calendar that I am doing with Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley, J Dolls UK, and Beth Ramsden. We sent one another 8 items, and that made 8 times 3, which is 24, which made one for every day, the 1st through the 24th. And I put them in this jar so that I would open them up randomly, and I've been reaching in blindly to pull them out. Let me get one. Not looking, but I'm kind of leaning here. Okay, this one is from J Dolls UK. I can tell by the wrapping paper. Let's see if I can get this without scissors. I'm trying to be careful. Hard for me. I'm kind of a heavy-handed do and go person. There we go. Let's see what's in here. This is so much fun, and ladies, you have sent the best stuff. Oh, wow. How cute is this? Look at this headband. You know, I'll bet Jay made this. Oh, that is adorable. It is felt. It looks like maybe the leaves were pre-cut. Let me put something behind it so you can see the back, how cut that is. Oh my God, Jay, this is so cute. I can't wait to put this on a doll, but I am. I'm waiting till the last day to show all these items on my Blythe dolls. I am having so much fun. Thank you each, Beth, Jay, and Tammy. Please go to their channels and see what they opened today. These are really special, nice Advent items. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.